Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, the staking the coin, to using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Drip Network, get 1% back. Well, put your initial deposit in, get 365% back on your initial deposit, 1% every single day. All kinds of good stuff going on cryptocurrency on Frank's Crypto Corner. Well, today we're talking about Dogelon Mars, going to their website, checking out their Twitter, seeing how everything's moving with Dogelon. Also, we're going to be talking about NFT sales last week, 335 million in the 5 top collections of NFTs. Do you have any NFTs? Are you thinking about NFTs? What's going on with the NFT market? I mean, it seems to be booming. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos, or go on the channels to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day, even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Dogelon Mars is 131. It's actually not bad on the pricing. It's down 3% for the week, but it's up 2% for the day, so not too bad. Let's click it. Clicking it. Over here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and an 80.79, up about 2% today. Good job. Dogelon, take a look at this. Here's the today. It's up, going up the mountain. Fantastic. What about in the last 7 days? 7 days ago, yep, we have a little bit of a big drop right here, and then it's going back up. All right, let's check the holders of Dogelon. I know that's been growing pretty nice. Let's check the 3 months. So 3 months ago, about 117,000 addresses. Today, 130,000, 13,000, roughly about 9%, 10%. 9 or 10% more people holding the Dogelon Mars. All right, we're going to do a price prediction when we're done here, but Dogelon Mars price prediction. We all know how Elon Musk can change the market, but what about a meme coin called Dogelon Mars? Does Elon's coin have a bright prediction for 2022? Well, remember, the reason the coin is in existence is for intergalactic travel to Mars. When we travel to Mars, we're going to have to basically pay in Dogelon. If you've been in the crypto quarters for a while, you can help noticing the similarity on Dogelon Mars with Dogecoin and Elon Musk. Maybe it's not as straightforward, but it is connection. Dogelon Mars ticker is Elon. It says so much about the association. The name masterstroke captured the attention of the meme coin enthusiasm. So again, you know who Elon Musk is, and the coins for Dogelon is Elon. There's a pretty big thing right there. Dogelon Mars is a meme coin that seeks to be the success of Dogecoin. If then looped on the Elon Musk, the lord of the meme coins, Elon Musk tweets on cryptocurrency affects the crypto market. Essentially, Dogelon Mars is a Dogecoin fork that seeks the replicant of Dogecoin's success to achieve Elon Musk's visualization of the the vision of colonizing the Mars. Remember, the canine meme coin like Dogelon and Shiba has successful years breaking the crypto market record growth. Price growth and future outlooks. You know, as mentioned, Dogecoin and Shiba grew 1,000-fold in 2021, and Dogelon Mars seems to try to achieve the same feat of his predecessors. All right, jumping over here to the Twitter account. Couple things. I like their stuff on their Twitter. History, greatness, pioneers stood at the galaxy edge and glazed into the dark unknown without flinching. Bravery has taken the step forward into uncertainty, but knowing that you're forgiving a path that the masses will follow. Yep, and then we already know that Gemini is now accepting Dogelon Mars. It's right on their website. Right here on the website here, crypto.com, Uniswap, OKEX, KuCoin, Huobi, and Gemini are right on the front page. So this is talking about there's a new dog in town that Elon is now on Gemini. Go Dogelon, go. I'm talking at the website Dogelon Mars. It's ranked 131. It's got a market cap of 445.36 M. The volume is 12.06. There's a quick start on how you can get your Dogelon, set up a MetaMask, send the ETH to your MetaMask, connect your wallet, and swap your ETH for Dogelon. All right, Dogelon Mars. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Now, the strategy, we'll do the price prediction when we come back. The strategy a lot of people have is buy the coin, hope it shoots to the moon. And it's a good strategy. Buy the coin, hope it shoots to the moon. Drip Network gives you 365% back on your initial investment, 1% a day every single day. We're going to link a video at the end to talk about that. All kinds of good stuff going on with Drip Network, Drip Garden, the piggy bank, pigs and dogs. Fantastic stuff. All right, let's head back over and talk about NFT sales and the 5 top collections. All right, NFT sales hit 335 million over the past week. There was the top 5 best-selling digital collections. All right, NFTs. NFT sales had a breakthrough year in 2021 in the past 12 months. It did over 22 billion. The cryptocurrency boom over the past year has helped propel the new market to a record high digital collections known as NFTs, non-fungible tokens. And the fact, the total sales was 22 billion. All right, number 5, Cool Cats, number 5. In their 7-day volume, they did 4.5 million in sales. They did 148 units, and their highest one was sold for 50,000. You could have been the lucky one to buy one of these little Cool Cats for 50K last week. Cool Cats are the randomly generated NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain. The first generation consists of a 10,000 random various of outfits, faces, and colors. All cats are cool, but compacted with outfits, cats are the coolest. Number 4 is Doodles. They did 5.4 million in sales, 144 sales. Their highest price doodle, 137,000. Maybe you were lucky and you got your doodle last week. Doodles come from a joyful range of color, traits, and sizes with collection sizes of 10,000. Doodles are funky bunches that like to role play themselves in delicious treats. Holding a doodle allows you to participate in the doodle community treasures. So doodles came in at number 4. All right, number 3, the Sandbox, $7.8 million, 606 NFTs sold. Top 1 sold for 54,000. There's your Sandbox. The Sandbox is a community-driven UGC volatile platform where users own the land and host their creative magic. Number 2, the Bored Ape Yacht Club, 7-day sales, 36 million. Number of sales, 484 of them. Highest sale, by 431,000. BAYC collection of 10,000 Bored Apes, unique digital collections living on the Ethereum blockchain. Your Bored Ape doubles as your Yacht Club membership card and grants access to member-only benefits. Yep, get your Bored Ape today. 484 of them sold last week. And the number 1 NFT sold was CryptoPunks, 37 million. They sold 57 of them. Their top one sold for 354,000. Maybe you were the lucky winner of a CryptoPunks last week for 354,000. All right, NFT sales hit 335 million. NFTs are here to stay. Tell us in the bottom, do you have any of those 5 collections in your, you own them? You know, you're the owner of the NFT. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, back at the website, Dogelon Mars. They have their Comic Saga Begins. It's kind of like their roadmap. Talks about, you can actually even buy it. All-time average is a 2.75 price. Make an offer. It kind of tells you what the Dogelon is doing. You know, a little theme with their comics. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, what's our price prediction? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. I think we're going to crush one of these zeros. We're already at 804. Just to go to 904 and 1,000 for it, it crushes a zero. I think we're going to take down one of these zeros here in the next month, a month and a half. All our information is for educational purposes only. But right again at 131, not up a lot, not down a lot, doing okay right here, Dogelon Mars. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in for our Dogelon Mars episode today. I love this coin. When I go to Mars, I'm going to pay for my travel in Dogelon Mars. Don't forget to hit the like button. Click right here so you can see our most recent video. Click over here so you can hear about Drip Network. If you need a buddy, my link will be in the bottom to the 1%, 365% on your initial investment. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you a little bit later on today.